India is situated in which continent? Answer is Asia. Which imaginary line divides the Earth into northern and southern hemispheres? Answer is equator. India lies completely to the north of which line? Answer is equator. The standard meridian of India is selected mainly because it passes near which part of India? Answer is central part. The easternmost state of mainland India is which state? Answer is Arunachal Pradesh. Which Indian state is the westernmost in mainland India? Answer is Gujarat. India stretches over approximately how many degrees of longitude? Answer is 29 degrees. India stretches over approximately how many degrees of latitude? Answer is 29 degrees. Which state is not crossed by the Tropic of Cancer? Answer is Odisha. The Tropic of Cancer divides India into almost how many parts? Answer is 2 equal halves. Which neighboring country is known as the land of the Thunder Dragon? Answer is Bhutan. Which neighboring country is called the land of the rising sun in India's east? Answer is Japan. Which neighboring country lies directly south of India across the Polk Strait? Answer is Sri Lanka. Which sea separates India from the Arabian Peninsula? Answer is Arabian Sea. The Bay of Bengal lies to which side of India? Answer is east. The Arabian Sea lies to which side of India? Answer is west. Which Indian state shares the longest coastline? Answer is Gujarat. Which is the only Indian state that shares borders with Nepal, Bhutan and Bangladesh? Answer is West Bengal. Which neighboring country has no coastline? Answer is Nepal. Which neighboring country is completely landlocked? Answer is Bhutan. Which state is crossed by the Tropic of Cancer after Rajasthan while moving west to east? Answer is Madhya Pradesh. Which of the following is the largest state in India by area? Answer is Rajasthan. Which is the smallest state in India by area? Answer is Goa. Which union territory is the smallest in India by area? Answer is Lakshadweep. The total number of neighboring countries of India, including island neighbors, is how many? Answer is 9. Which state is crossed first by the Tropic of Cancer from west to east? Answer is Gujarat. Which state is crossed last by the Tropic of Cancer from west to east? Answer is Mizoram. Which of the following states is not crossed by the Tropic of Cancer? Answer is Odisha. The standard meridian of India passes through which district of Uttar Pradesh? Answer is Mirzapur. Which longitude is exactly opposite to the prime meridian? Answer is 180 degrees. The Earth rotates through 360 degrees in approximately how many hours? Answer is 24 hours. The Earth rotates approximately how many degrees in 1 hour? Answer is 15 degrees. A difference of 1 degree longitude corresponds to approximately how many minutes of time? Answer is 4 minutes. India follows a single standard time mainly because why? Answer is, it has one time zone officially. The easternmost part of India experiences sunrise earlier than Gujarat by nearly how many hours? Answer is 2 hours. Which neighboring country shares the longest international boundary with India? Answer is Bangladesh. Which neighboring country shares the second longest international boundary with India? Answer is China. Which country shares the shortest international boundary with India? Answer is Afghanistan. Which Indian state shares the longest international border? Answer is Rajasthan. Which Indian state shares borders with China, Nepal and Bhutan? Answer is Sikkim. Which union territory shares a border with both Pakistan and China? Answer is Ladakh. Which Indian state shares borders with the maximum number of Indian states? Answer is Uttar Pradesh. Which Indian state shares its boundary with the maximum number of neighboring countries? Answer is Arunachal Pradesh. Which neighboring country shares a maritime boundary with India but no land boundary? Answer is Sri Lanka. The Polk Strait separates India from which country? Answer is Sri Lanka. Which water body separates India and Sri Lanka? Answer is Gulf of Mannar and Polk Strait. India is bounded by the Indian Ocean towards which direction? Answer is south. The shape of India is often compared to what? Answer is triangle. Which latitude passes almost through the middle of India? Answer is Tropic of Cancer. Which Indian state is not crossed by the standard meridian of India? Answer is Kerala.